Hi, this is Akash. Welcome to the MuleSoft tutorials. So in previous lectures, we had gone through how to create project, how to create flows and variables. Now in this video, we're gonna go through the transformer messages, basic transformation. So before starting this course, let me create one project, create a new Mule project. Let's say my project name is proj transformation. Click on finish. Yeah, so this will create a new project, which is project name is Proj Transformation. And then we have one file, projtransformation.xml. So we'll fetch one HTTP from my palette to the canvas. I will configure this HTTP to create an API. I will do it HTTP localhost 8081. Okay, save it. Now there are many predefined transformations in MuleSoft. So before starting the transformation, what is transformation we should know. So transformation is just like we want to convert one data type to another. Let's say I want to convert my JSON input and I want output as an XML or XML to JSON, or you can say XML to Java object to string or any other format. So in MuleSoft, we already have many predefined transformers. One is like byte array to MIME, byte array to object, byte array to serialization. Then we have email to string, file type to array, JSON to XML, JSON to object. So these transformations we have. So if we have input at JSON and I want output as a XML, what I will do, I will put JSON to XML, drag it to my input. Here we go. We got an output as an JSON to XML. Or else I want XML to JSON, I will just drag it to XML to JSON. So these are the predefined transformation you can say. But if we want to write our own custom transformation, that we can do using transformer message. This is the component which takes input and output and gives according to our need. Let's say my output is application JSON right now. I can change it to application Java JSON, and let's say I can make it Java, or I can make it XML according to my need. I can change it. Let's say right now it's Java only. So here currently we are using DW 1.0. In Mule 4 we have DW 2.0. So DW is a Dataweave language. So to start with, let's say I want to have my first name. I want to store as an Akash, and comma I can give, and can have my second name as Ranglani. So this is gonna create one output file. It will store into a payload in a application Java format. If we want to store in some variable, we can click on the edit output as a variable. We can give the variable name, let's say name, and click on OK. This will store into a flow vars. Or if you want to use a session variable, you can use it, or we want to store that particular data in property. So let's say right now it's payload only. Click on OK. So first of all, I will remove these things. Yeah. And then save this project. I'm gonna run this project. What I will do, I will put one logger so that we can check it what's going on. I'll put hash payload, save it, and now I'm gonna run this project. Run as mule project, mule application. This will basically run the project, do all the stuff which are required, and then once the project is successfully deployed, Yeah, we can run that API. So as you can see, all the logs on console, how which jars are getting implemented, what is the status. Yeah, here now it's successfully deployed. I will open my Chrome. I will go to localhost 8081, click enter. See, on message payload name is Akash, second name is Ranglani. Here we go. So in this way we can do a transformation. We can also use session variables in transformation. Simple. If we want to use session variable, I will add, let's say, designation. My designation, let's say, is in flow variable, so I will use flow vars dot de designation. Or if I want to use session variable, I can use it pretty easily. Let's say uh, let's say city is in session variable, so I will use session was dot city. I can also use payload over here. Let's say I'm performing a post operation and I have some payload. I can use it like uh, country payload dot country. So in this way we can do the basic transformation in Mule and with the using Dataweave language. Also one thing, if we want to create a file which stores the data view, we can go to edit, click on file, we'll give name basic.dwl. That the extension of that file will be DWA, that is data wave language. Click on OK. This will store into resources. So if you click here, you can see the data view. So in Mule 4, we have Data Wave 2.0, which has many capabilities to do this. So later on, we will discuss more about the data wave in our next chapter. So this is a basic transformation. We can do it using the message transformer messages. So we can see over here in configuration XML, you can see data transformation, and then the resource path is class path basic TWL. So this is it for this video. In next video, we'll discuss something more about the deployments and debugging. Okay, thank you.